Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an origami lion, just like this one. This is a model I recently found on the internet, it has a very nice result and it's not so difficult to make. If you want to make one, the only material you need is a square of paper. It can be any size and any type, but to make it easier, in this video I'm going to use 20 by 20 centimeters, 8 by 8 inches, and a different color on each side. Starting with the color of the lion's mane facing up, our first step is to fold diagonally in half. Once that's done, we can unfold it. And now, holding in this position, let's bring the top two edges to the middle, creating these two diagonals. First, on the right, and then on the left. Having that done, let's repeat the same with the other side. Now that we have these marks, let's close each side by creating a new flap in the middle. Let's take the top and bottom side to the middle at the same time and close the remaining paper, leaving everything very well aligned. We can bring this flap up just to reinforce. And then we bring it down, reinforcing one more time. On the other side we do the same thing, just close by bringing the edges together. Now, pay close attention. We're going to have to turn the paper over and unfold the corner up here. Next, let's fold this corner down a little bit. And bring this down, folding one more time. After doing this step, we can close the end as before. Once that side's done, we can rotate and repeat here in the other. As before, just open it, fold the corner first, and then bring the same fold down. Then we close one more time, and now that it's done, we can turn it around. And here in the middle, we have these two flaps that are like two triangles. For the next step, we're going to have to turn these triangles into squares. And for that, we have to open the middle part a little and reverse fold this crease here. With that done, let's keep the same crease out and flatten the paper, thus creating our square. On the other side we do the same thing. Reverse fold the crease by bringing it out, and then we flatten the paper, turning the flap into a square. Now that we have these two squares, let's fold each one in half diagonally, creating something more or less like this. After that, we fold the remaining paper on top. Let's reinforce it and unfold. For the next step, let's reinforce these two lines by bringing them both up. First the left, just like this. Then the one on the right. After reinforcing, let's bring those same lines down to the middle, creating these two new diagonal folds. Lastly, we can fold this flap down and we have the first details of the head. Let's leave it that way for now and turn the paper over. Up here, still in the head part, we're going to fold a new line connecting these two corners. Just bring the paper down like this. Unfold. Let's repeat the same logic, connecting these two corners here. This time, let's bring it up, reinforce as before, and unfold that too. Keeping in this position, let's close this back layer by taking the paper to the right. And using the marks we've made as a guide, let's fold a new diagonal, starting at the top mark and taking the corner to the side. Something like this. And unfold. Now let's bring the paper to the other side and repeat the same logic. Unfold again and open the middle as before. Now that we've done all these marks, we can fold this crease again. Next, we will fold these corners. Using the same logic, let's fold these side corners too. Again, we bring the bottom part up and let's mark these two folds. Just bring the side down like this and mark the half. Repeat on the other side. And with the two marks we made, we can close this part, thus creating the tail detail. Now we reinforce the lines we made before. Let's go back to the other side. Here in this part of the head, as you can see, I'm taking the paper up until this detail of another color is at the same height of these two lines. And then we fold the detail down. We have the nose. If you want, you can stop here and leave the result like this, but to make it look prettier and more creative, I recommend that you shape some parts. For example, we could curve or bend the face part, the head part. Here you can make the variation you want. Something like this. We can also bend the main part a little. And the tail part as well. Our origami lion is ready. As I said at the beginning, this is a mod that has a very beautiful result and is not that difficult to make. We could still make other details on the legs or body, but that's the idea, now you can vary as you like. I hope you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching me, see you next time.